In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find stores in Starbucks 2026. By the end, you'll be able to quickly locate any nearby Starbucks using the website, see exactly where it is on the map, and pick the one that works best for you. First, open your web browser and go to the official Starbucks website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look around. The layout can vary slightly by country, but the navigation you need is in the same place. Focus on the top right area of the page where the main menu items live. Up in that top right menu, look for the option labeled Find a Store. It may appear as text or alongside a small location pin icon. Click it. This opens the store locator, which is designed to help you search by area, and then drill down to a specific location. On the store locator page, shift your attention to the left-hand side panel. You'll see a field that says something like Find a Store. Click into that box and type the city name or the zip or postal code for the area you're interested in. Press enter or pick a suggestion if one appears. Using a full city name or a precise zip code will return the most accurate results. If the site asks to use your location, allowing it can quickly center the map on you, but it's optional. If you don't want to search, you can simply scroll through the list on the left to browse. This is helpful when you already recognize the store name or the mall it's in. Move slowly so you don't miss it, and watch for the address lines that confirm you've got the right spot. Once you've found the store you're looking for, click on it. The selection will open its details and highlight the exact spot on the map to the right. Take a second to zoom in or out and pan around so you can see nearby streets, landmarks, or intersections. This quick check makes it easier to recognize the location before you go. And that's it. You visited the Starbucks homepage. Use the Find a Store link in the top right menu, search by city or zip code, or simply browse the list, and then click the store to view its precise position on the map. Pause and replay as needed, and you'll find any Starbucks in no time.